Hello kids, today we are going to do exercise of chapter number 3. Well done Polly. So be ready with your textbook. Exercise on page number 3737. Let's start the exercise. Circle the right options in these sentences. Number 1. My brother is a singer. She or he is popular. My brother is a boy, so answer is he. We use he for boy. Sheila is dancing. He or she is in my class. Sheila is a name of a girl, so answer is she. I or it like ice cream. I like ice cream. Peter is a good student. He or she studies hard. Peter is a name of a boy, so answer will be he. You have to circle on the answers. Number 5. We or he are happy. We use are with we. Number 6. I want that pencil. It or they writes well. It. In the sentence we are talking about pencil, and pencil is a non-living thing, so the answer is it. Number 7. Mary, do you or she want to go to the park? You. Mary, do you want to go to the park? Number 8. They or he are sisters. We are talking about more than one person, so the answer will be they. You have to circle on the answer. Exercise A on page number 3838. Match the words in column A with their synonyms in column B. What is the meaning of synonyms? Synonym means same meaning. Number 1, big. What is the meaning of big? Big means large. Clean. What is the meaning of clean? Tidy. Hard, tough. Right, correct. Bright, shiny. Very good. Now next exercise on page number 3939. Pick a word from the box and write it next to the word that is opposite to it in meanings. Now opposites. Number 1, narrow, broad. Number 2, heavy, light. Number 3, short, long. Number 4, outside, inside. Number 5, old, new. Now next exercise on page number 4242. Complete the lines with their right days of the week. Student, there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So let's start. Dash and dash are known as the weekends. Saturday and Sunday are known as the weekend. Dash comes right after Sunday. What comes after Sunday? Monday. Dash is the next day of the week. Kids, week start from Monday. So what will come after Monday? Tuesday. Dash comes after Wednesday. Thursday. Just before the weekend comes, Friday. Weekends days are Saturday and Sunday. So what comes before Saturday? Friday. Now next exercise on page number 4343. Kids, there are 12 months in a year. How many months are there? 12. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So let's start. Number 1. January has 31 days. Number 2. The other months which have 31 days are March, May, July, August, October and December. Number 3. The month which has 28 days or 29 days. February. Very good. Number 4. A leap year is when February has 29 days. Yes kids, February has 366 days. So one extra day, in which month one extra day will come? In February. Number 5. The months which have 30 days. April, June, September and November. Very nice. Now kids, I am going to send you the PDF. From PDF you have to write down all these exercise in your English reader textbook. Bye bye.